Hi! For this next activity, you are going to go to phet.colorado.edu. You will type the URL into the search bar. Then once you get to phet.colorado.edu, you will go to search, which is on the right side. You will type in springs and masses. So masses and springs should come up when you type in springs. And then notice there's one here. There's also a masses and springs basic. We're going to do the basic simulation. So make sure that you click on the second one, masses and springs. You could also type in masses as well. Go ahead and click that. Then you have some options. You can download it or you can just play it directly from your browser. So if you click play and it's not working, you can download it as well. So once you click the video, then it will have several options. You're going to go to the lab option, double click on it. And then this is the lab for you. This is coinciding with investigation 2.5 in the book, Measuring Gravitational Force. It's a little different, but same concept. So for this investigation, you will be looking at the relationship between mass of an object and also weight and how that is different for different gravity. So if you press the plus button on the right here where it says gravity, you can adjust the gravity with the bar, or you can customize it with the different planets. So just so you're aware of that, you can also put a ruler over here, drag it over, and you can measure. Over here are your weights, and then you can also change the mass of the weights on the left. So you can change them to be whatever you would like them to be. So what I'm asking you to do is to do this investigation by putting the weights onto the spring and measuring how far they go down. So this goes below the ruler, so it's very hard to measure. You can make the spring strength different as well. It makes it a little bit easier to measure if you're trying to measure. So let me show you again. So it's paused. So sometimes this freezes. So if you get it to freeze and there's nothing you can do about it after you press this, just have to go up and refresh the page again. And then go back into lab. I know it's kind of a pain. And then kind of just remember where you were. So this is basically just what we'll be working with, just the gravity. The spring strength, you don't have to mess with that too much, but it's kind of nice if you want to read the ruler to adjust the spring strength to have a larger spring. That way you can actually read the ruler when you put these masses on. So what you'll be doing is you'll be taking them and then you can go down here to pause it, and then you can grab the weight and go back and put it back. So what you'll be doing is investigating the relationship between gravity. So if you have a lot of gravity, how does that affect the how far the spring stretches? And then also the mass. If you have a bigger mass, how does that affect the spring strength as well? And then you will go ahead after you do this, you will go and you will answer the questions in Canvas. A good thing to do would be to kind of work around with this a little bit, take some measurements, and then go back and answer the questions in Canvas, and then come back to this. Maybe have a split screen with Canvas questions and PhET simulation.